Welcome back. Today is August 5th. On this post, Bitcoin continues to go up as we speak, currently up about 4% today. Right now, Bitcoin is right underneath 41.4K. However, I am going to be talking about a possible bearish signal that could signal a pullback for Bitcoin, and that could also affect the altcoins as well. Let's take a look into some of the data and see how this could potentially affect the altcoins. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you guys want to support my channel directly and myself, and find any of my affiliate links below in the description section below helpful, you guys can sign up using my affiliate links below. I personally use Webull and TradingView myself, and if you guys sign up with my affiliate link, you guys could get two free stocks, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also be aware of any scammers in the comment section below asking you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals. Make sure to also read my full disclaimer below. I am an altcoins trader myself mostly, and I do own quite a bit of the altcoins. I do have quite a bit of the altcoins. So this is not financial advice. None of this should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky and volatile. I am only sharing with you guys my speculations on this market. Now let's dive right into it. Right now we do have Bitcoin up about 4%, currently about 41.3K now. Now let's talk about what has happened in the past couple of days. As I have mentioned, Bitcoin did break out of a falling wedge pattern. I have talked about this before. The breakout measure target, which is a theoretical target, out of this breakout would be about 41.4K, about 41.4K there. Now, price action did get back on top of that short-term moving average I talked about yesterday, which is the 6-hour 21 SMA. But before that, it looks like price action did dip below that 6-hour 50 SMA, formed a double bottom here. Okay, so this could be a continuation pattern. Now, since there is a double bottom here, I would take a new measure target. Which looks like the price action has actually broken out of that double bottom pattern as well, which would give me a measure move of about 42.6K here. Again, that's a theoretical target, and price action has also gone on top of some of these 12-hour moving averages as well. Now, let's talk about that bearish indicator I see incoming. Okay, right now, price action is at about 41.3K. I did say that the measured target could go up to about 42.6, 42.5 there. If it does get to about that level, do notice that the RSI here, we're currently way at about 64. The last RSI reading to be looking at for the previous top would be about 75. So that's quite a bit of a range to go to actually beat the last RSI reading to negate this bearish divergence. So now the question becomes, if it gets an equal top here, that's a double top pattern with bearish divergence, or could it actually make significant enough of a move to actually get a higher top on the price action chart along with a higher top on the RSI, and this is on the daily time frame. So quite a few, I think this is going to be a very interesting one to see, because would Bitcoin actually make a significant enough move to actually negate this bearish divergence? I think that's actually less likely. You would have to make a pretty significant move here to go from about 64 on the RSI to over 75 here. That's scenario number one. I think it's less likely at this moment. Scenario number two is if Bitcoin actually makes an equal, or not an equal, but or it could be an equal or higher top here, have bearish divergence on the daily time frame RSI and pull back slightly and consolidate further, or would it actually make that bearish divergence after making equal or higher high and actually pull back significantly? In that case, I do think that could affect the altcoin markets negatively. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance here, as I have said, Bitcoin dominance has broken down from this rise and wedge pattern, which is generally a bearish pattern. But if Bitcoin dominance is actually trending downwards and looks bearish, that's actually generally better for the altcoins, because that means if Bitcoin actually pulls back, altcoins pull back less than Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, total altcoin market cap would actually go up more than Bitcoin. Okay. Something to note here is total altcoin market cap. That's what I'm saying. So in particular to any altcoins, you might want to look into the setup of those altcoins. But I'm talking about total altcoin market cap. With that said, let's also take a look into the critical support right now for Bitcoin dominance, which is still at that 3-day 21 SMA. Currently has went up slightly since yesterday's. I think yesterday's 3-day candle close was yesterday the 3-day candle close. Yes, it was. So it has went up slightly since yesterday's 3-day candle close here, but still at about that 46% range there. That is acting as support. Measure move out of this rise and wedge pattern would be about 41%. Let's go over to Ethereum. So let me also do a recap on Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action there. If Bitcoin price action actually drops pretty significantly because of that bearish divergence, then I would expect, depending on if Bitcoin dominance is trending up or down at the moment, but right now it looks like Bitcoin dominance is trending downwards, even with that support on the 3-day time frame there, on that 21 SMA. But it did break down from that bearish pattern, that rise and wedge pattern. So if that is the case, if Bitcoin price action actually dumps and Bitcoin dominance continues down towards this measure move of that rise and wedge pattern breakdown, then total altcoin market cap may still go down, but it might go down less than that of Bitcoin. But this is on the total altcoin market cap, okay? Not anything in particular, but on the aggregate level. Let's go over to total altcoin market cap here. As I have said, the weekly time frame was my focus because this chart looks very similar to the Ethereum chart, and you guys can see that as of late on both the weekly and the 3-day time frame, except that total altcoin market cap is lagging behind Ethereum because price action here on the weekly time frame, the candle here is still only trying to get above the weekly 21 SMA. Versus on the Ethereum chart here, price action has already gone a close on top of the weekly 21 SMA. And right now, it is trying to get on top of that about $2,700 resistance here, which I would expect it to be pretty strong resistance. But if Ethereum actually can get a solid close in about 3 days, that will look pretty bullish, because this tells me it has taken less attempts to actually get above this resistance than last time, and that would look pretty bullish in my opinion. All in all, I think Ethereum total altcoin market cap still revolves around what Bitcoin would do. So very important to actually see how big of a pullback Bitcoin would actually get from that bearish divergence, or could it actually, with smaller probability, could actually negate that bearish divergence with a pretty big move on the price action chart. Something I'll be keeping an eye out on, because that would affect the rest of the altcoin markets. Now, this is my update for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a like, subscribe if you guys found it helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.